Hello you guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna check out how much oil does the oil catch can that I installed in this vehicle after about 2,000 miles. So I love on this shock. um, it's great, it's a lot of convenience. You don't have to use the prom bar to every time you open the hood. So let me show you what's my configuration if you haven't checked out my other video yet. Okay, let me take out this cover, put it down. So if you have an oil catch can, this is your PCV valve. So this is your outlet, and it's gonna go into the catch can inlet, and then the catch can outlet is gonna go into the platinum right here. As you can see, the port is right here. So that's how I configure it, and it's nicely tucked in here, so everything is good. So like I said, this after I installed the catch can, it's have been 2,000 miles, maybe 2,500 miles. So this is my first time to open it up and see how much that the catch can oil the catch can catch. So like as you can see, it's a very good location to install a catch can. Okay, slowly take it out. Okay, you can see there's oil in here. Let me pour it out to the cup so you can see how much it is. So remember, this is 2,000 and about maybe 2,500 miles. Because I took my car to a couple of vacation spot, and so I know. So this is how much oil is catch. And you can see, well, this much, not a lot. And I think I did one video about for the Chrysler Pacifica, which maybe 500 mile, and it's already catch this much. So Toyota is engine is very efficient, so there's not a lot of oil as it's going through. So but it's always good to have a catch can to catch it better than all this oil going back into the platinum, the intake platinum, and long term is not good. And as you can see, the catch can is pretty cheap, so I think it's a very good investment if you can install one. And I bought everything by myself, so it's not a promotion video, so I'm just doing it to help you out if you plan to have a catch can. And this is the proof right here. So every so basically you can leave this on the catch can on every oil change. You just empty it out, so it's not So I'm pretty sure for the Toyota Sienna, I change my oil every 5,000 miles. So I'm pretty sure after 5,000 miles, this thing is not gonna fuel up. So you don't have to worry about, oh yeah, fueling up and it's gonna overflow. It's not. So this is 400 ml catch can, and as you can see, after 2,500 miles, it's only this much of oil. That's the reason why the difference between American engine and the Japanese engine. That's the reason why the Japanese engine lasts so long, a lot longer, more reliable than an American car engine, because how efficient it was. So my recommendation is, after you do this, make sure you just clean up the oil inside the can. Make sure it's nice and good before you put it back. As you can see, make sure everything is nice and clean. Looks nice and clean inside. Everything look good. Just go ahead and reinstall it back in. It's not a hard job, it's pretty easy. So you just clean it out every 5,000 miles. So just do it like a part of your maintenance after you do the oil change, and you should be good. And trust me, it's safe. So don't worry about other people said, oh yeah, you install the oil catch can in, you're gonna have problem with the engine, or you're gonna have a problem with the oil pressure. It's not it's gonna be more and creating problem. No, it's not. Trust me, I have this in my RAV4 for almost maybe 20,000 miles, and nothing happened. Everything's going smooth. So this is just an extra step for your engine care for your engine, basically. So like I said, remember this is 3.8 and the other one is a little bit bigger. So the other one is the tube is half inch, okay, half inch 3.8. And make sure you get a good brand one, okay. Don't get the cheap junk one, okay. Pay a little bit of money for a good one. So so that's it. As you can see the result after I install the catch can, 2,500 miles, and it's catch this much. So that you proof that it's working, and this will help your engine last longer. So you don't have to worry about carbon build up and sluggish, all those stuff that giving your engine a problem. Alright, so that's it for this video, and I hope you guys find it helpful. Make sure you check out my installation, the catch can installation, and I will see you guys next time. Alright, okay, bye.